Let's start. Given below are the steps of construction of a quadrilateral ABCD. Now, for any quadrilateral ABCD, there are 5 steps, 5 elements required. Are they given? AB equals to 3.5, BC equals to 6.5, A equals to 75, B equals to 105, C equals to 120. Okay, 5 elements are given. Okay, next, which of the following steps are incorrect? So we have to start constructing and then we'll check which one is incorrect. Draw AB first. AB is drawn 3.5. Step 1 is okay. Step 2. Draw XAB equals to 75 at A and ABY equals to 105 at B. Let's do that. See, this is 75 and this is 105. 75 is less than 90, so acute shown. 105 is greater than 90, so obtuse shown. So these two are done. These two. Second. Now third. With B as a center and radius BC, draw 6.5 centimeter to cut intersect BY at C. That is also correct. You have to draw BC over here. Now last step. At C, draw an angle ADC equals to 120 degrees. ADC equals to 120 degrees. Here D, you don't know D anything about it. So ADC is 120. Is it given? What is given over here? Angle C is 120. Actually it should have been angle ACD equals to 120 such that CZ meets AX at D. So this point is wrong. Angle ADC should not be there. It should be angle ACD because you don't know D, right? So how can you draw ADC? And also angle C is 120, not angle D as 120. So that's also wrong. So it should be angle ACD equals to 120. So step 4 is wrong. So it should have been ACD over here. So step 4 is wrong. Next, which of the following steps is incorrect while constructing a rhombus ABCD given that AC equals to 8 and BD equals to 6 centimeters? Okay, AC and BD